In this video, I'll show you how to use milestones in Asana. Now, the best way to use a milestone is within a project, and in order for you to do that, simply head over to the left-hand side. Below work, choose projects. That will take you to the overview of your projects. Let's say we want to do a web design. Click on that project, and that will take you to the section where you can start adding your milestones. So let's say on our website design, at the bottom, I will add a section for planning. On this task, we will just say initial design. And once we have our task, we can set a milestone. So at the top and the left corner, click on the drop down for add task. And at the bottom, we can choose a milestone. As you can see, let's name this milestone as project approved. And once you do that, on the left-hand side, if you click on the checkbox, it will automatically have that approved. Now, let's say we have here a section for planning. They have to do the initial design, the purpose, and the target audience. Once they have reached that, we can automatically set the project approved or the milestone as complete, which means that they are able to do the rest of the tasks that are on this section. You can also move the milestone, so just simply hold and drag. We can set this at the very top and it will automatically show in here. You want to make sure they were also on the list view. Since on the list view, it is much easier. If you head over to the board view, in here it will look like this, but you can also add a milestone. It will be the same process. Now on a milestone, let's say we want to click on it. On the right hand side, you can actually add an assignee, a due date, dependencies. You can even add a subtask within a milestone. So let's say instead of adding all of these within the section itself, we can just add here the initial design, the purpose, and the target audience. And once you click on the left-hand side of that milestone, it will automatically show you all of the tasks that are in here. Now, this is depending on how you want your milestones to look like, but this is an example on how you can do it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.